This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2022 Midnight Express 37 Open, powered by quad 450 racing Mercury engines. The boat is in excellent condition. There's only 94 engine hours on the boat. First, we'll just do a nice walk around, and then we'll move inside and I'll show you the interior of the boat. Nice dive door that flips down there with a telescoping ladder that comes out, so you've got plenty of stepping room to climb back up. This boat is packaged with the reinforced bow tow eye. The owner, this is the owner's second 37 Open. The last one he did tow is 2021. He did tow with a large vessel. This one never did. The boat spent few months in Florida on the lift at the owner's home. He dropped it in the water, I'm told, 3 times, and then it spent the last 3 months or so up in northern Michigan freshwater. I don't see any notable signs of salt exposure or anything on the boat. It's in very good shape. So I'll move interior and take you on a tour there. All right, moving interior. Does have the optional removable seat in the aft. Rear facing seat with a cooler underneath. Tons of rod holders and cup holders here, along with the entire gun wall. There's 2 live wells behind. Sea deck and the whole boat's in excellent shape. The vinyl's in excellent condition. Engines are in excellent condition with just over 94 engine hours. Has the rod holders and outrigger option up top, although this boat has not been fished. Radar, spotlight, air horn, step for starboard entry, gunnel storage, or floor storage rather, deck storage, 3-seat helm seat with footrest for each, single key ignition with 4-engine start, twin Garmin displays, C-zone switching, four subwoofers, 2 port, 2 starboard, bunch of speakers. I think there's 8 speakers total in addition to the 4 subwoofers. Forward facing seat, armrest with cup holders, storage under each of those. Nice dedicated storage and seats here. This is a power table that raises with this switch, and then there's a cushion set that attaches to that to make a big sunbed. So your windlass. Nice and glossy, everything's nice and smooth, like it just got a wax. Engines are shining bright.